Hello everyone, welcome back. In previous video, we understood the concept of operator overloading. So in this video, let's go ahead and understand what is method overloading. So method overloading means having multiple methods with the same name but different arguments. So as such, there is no such concept in Python. But let's say still if our business demands, how can we do that? So I am on my VS Code and I have already created a class named calculator which takes two parameters, and here I have a function named add. So it takes two parameters, just sum them up and print it on the screen. So if I have to call it, what I will do is c dot add, and here we can say 4 comma 5, and as soon as I will run it, you can see that the output is 9. Now what if you want to add three numbers today? Let's say 4, 5 and 7. So one way to do is we will go ahead and add similar method, and which takes three parameters, and here I will do this. So if I will go ahead and do it, it is working. And let's say I am passing only one parameter this time. How will it behave? So it is saying that some arguments are missing. So which means it is saying that you need to define another function which takes only one parameter like a. Now if I will run it, you can see that it is showing output is 4. So how can we achieve this solution? What is the better way of writing? And this is what operator overloading is. Same function name, but the number of arguments we are passing is different. So how we can minimize this thing? So to minimize this thing, what we can do is we can create a function with the maximum number of arguments. Let's say at max we can pass only 3. So we can do this, and by default we can assign value as none. So assigning the value like this, we have already seen in our previous video. This is called the default value, or you can say the default argument a, b and c. Okay, so if user is not passing any value, it will take value of a as none, b as none and c as none. But how will you execute it? Now if you will execute it, it will say that it's type mismatch. See, unsupported operand type, because it is not able to understand integer and none type. So in order to make it work, what we need to do is we need to pull in some if conditions, and we need to check if a not equal to none, and b not equal to none, as well as c not equal to none, then only go ahead and perform addition of these three. Now let's say if, and here I need to put elif because I need to check for only two parameters. I need to check all the combinations which is possible. So if a and b is not none, let's say if user is passing only two arguments, then in case I will just print a and b. And final condition else. So here we can go ahead and print the one parameter which user has supplied. Now if I will go ahead and run it, you can see that this time we got the output as 4. Even if I will go and pass two more parameters here, you can see that it is working. So this is the way how we can handle, and here we need to make sure that we assign some default value to all the arguments, whatever you feel like could be the optional or user may not pass. So this is the way how we can achieve the concept, although it is officially not in the not part of Python. So it's like you can say a workaround to achieve the same concept of method overloading. So I hope you enjoyed this small video, and I will see you next time in my another video on overriding, method overriding. Till then, keep watching.